Home ownership is rewarding, but it comes with big responsibilities. That's why I created the Homeowner's Handbook, your complete guide to maintaining your home, building a solid inventory, and protecting yourself when disaster strikes. Inside, you'll find practical checklists for year-round maintenance, easy ways to inventory your belongings, and receive links to crucial education on navigating property damage insurance claims. Because when water, smoke, fire, wind, hail, or other perils hit, knowledge is your best defense. That an amazing value having the Homeowner's Guide, and this is your introduction to an in-depth video series. These short videos can walk you step by step through the pitfalls of insurance claims, from understanding the industry terms and procedures to the stages of mitigation and restoration, code upgrades, and smart improvements that maximize your recovery. Stay prepared, stay protected. Download your Homeowner's Handbook today and subscribe for the full series.